Hey everyone. Going to talk about some cool Shopify features this week. A prerequisite to a lot of them is using managed installations. But rather than talk about managed installations, let me show you. So if we go into Shopify and open up one of our apps, you can see now that when the app load, there isn't the usual redirects. You're not bouncing between multiple pages, and it was really quick. Why? Because we're using Shopify as managed installations. So Shopify handled all of that for you. It means you've got less code to maintain. It means it's faster for your merchants, and overall just makes your life easier and unlocks a lot of the new features that Shopify are releasing. Um, how to migrate to it? So in your TOML file, you can use legacy installation flow and make it false. The legacy installation flow is the previous OAuth or authorization code grant flow, and you can change that to false. You might need to update some of your URLs as well to no longer point to your OAuth endpoints. Um, and you might need to check how you're getting offline access tokens. Now, if you're using one of Shopify's uh, libraries for this will probably work out the box. But if you've coded it yourself, it might be something you need to check. One of the really cool things about this is if you ever need to change your scopes, Shopify will handle that rollout for you. You won't have to do any of the code yourself, which makes it a much more seamless experience for the merchants and also makes it much easier for your app. So you don't have to manage whether people are on different scopes and whether their permissions are out of date, for example. It's all handled by Shopify. So it's a really great feature. It's super easy and makes your life easier. So I would highly recommend checking it out.